Hello guys, today is our new tutorial of ArcGIS Pro, their application in geology and especially for the climate change. So we firstly know what about the ArcGIS, and then we go to the ArcGIS Pro to know the what is the new features and everything. So what is the ArcGIS? ArcGIS is basically ArcGIS is the desktop application which allows the to create the maps. It's perform analysis and maintain data for the Geographic Information System (GIS) application, which is developed by ISRI Environment System Research Institution in 2015. There is one another ArcGIS or ArcMap which are created by the ISRI at the age of 2000, but this is the latest version, ArcGIS Pro. So in this ArcGIS Pro, we see 2D, 3D scenes of the terrain, and ArcGIS Pro, they have a wide of range of files when you are saving the files. So they have a SHP file for shape file in which they store the like points, lines, and polygons of the data. One is the SHX file, shape index file, which represent or which store the geometry of the shape file, and the other is the QMD quick map documents, which stores the map layer and symbology, and the another file name is the PRG projection file, which is stored the exact location of the data, which is included in WGS 1984 World Geographic System. CPG file, their code related file. So, and the last one is DPF, data organized in a trouble format. So these all are the different files which are stored automatically when you saving the your file or your work in ArcGIS Pro. The mandatory is the SFG shape file and the shape index file and the DBF, data organized tabular form, which is the attribute information. The another is also option, but whenever you save the file, you must have this kind of stuff in your file manager. So whenever you give some data, so you will give all of this data, because they have different file have stored the different data. So this is the difference of the ArcGIS and ArcMap, uh, their data and what is the like RAM support, and so you can read it. So this is the difference between ArcMap and ArcGIS Pro. For example, in ArcGIS Pro, we also like same as in the ArcMap, we use the buildings data and the urban planning and the 3D modeling, disaster management, and it's for application. So this is the different GIS data, like for example of the country, like buildings, like the roads, infrastructure, the railway tracks, and the rivers management, and the distribution of the channels, and the like POFW, place of worship, like important application. So these are the different data which can be available for you when uh, you go to the Google and search data Deva GIS. So you can select, for example, like I'm from Pakistan, so you can select Pakistan, and this is the subject what you need. And so this is the a lot of data, like administration area, inland water, roads, railway elevation, land cover. So you, for example, select the administration area, and you can download it this file, like for the administration area, and this file will be downloaded in the zip file. So you will be later on you will be extracted by the winner. So I will be show you. So what will be the data type? So for example, uh, you if you are extracted, so you will be see like this kind of stuff. they have will be river, dpf, shp, sh. So you will be just drag this river, and you have image will be like this. For example, this kind of stuff will be needed. So it will be used for different application like environmental study, hydrological modeling, and disaster management, tourism and recreation. So every data have different application. Another is what is the dim, digital elevation model. So this dim file is the small pixels in which they have different data like terrain, this every geological map, and this is the application. But this pixel which is a high resolution of 1 meter to 1 meter, so they have the data of terrain, the elevation, the hydrology, the erosion, the like there is the plain or there is the plateau. So this is the known as the dim file. And where you will be downloaded this dim file, so you will be go to the Earth Explorer USGC to download the dim file. But you must know that this account you will be logging in. So for example, if I download a dim file from this area to this area, so you know it, you will be click like this, and go to the data set. And this data set, there is the digital elevation, and from SRT you will be click this one, and results. So it will be show a result of you. So this is the one dim file, and this is the another dim file. So for example, I am interested in this dim file, so you will be click on that, and you will be downloaded. Like this is very good because it will be high resolution, that's why it's large in MB size. So you will download it. So yeah, I already downloaded. So I will be go to the my download folder. For example, this is my dim file. So yes, so this is the, so it will take a little bit time because they have in every pixel, so they have a lot of data. So basically this is the ArcGIS Pro. So this lower between is the base map. So you can change the base map which you needed the base map. So I select for example this world topography mix. So anyone you want to select it, so it's good. So this is the dim file. You can change the different color of your dim file in which you are like it. So I will be come to this dim file later on. I remove it. For example, you can also, if you are interested in this area, so you can cut from this dim file by clipping option. And by clipping option you can go to the this uh, catalog view. Yes, so you can search it, and you can be clipping option will become, and you can be clip like this one. So I clip from this whole dim file to my selected area. So I will be remove this, and I will be go to presentation. So this is the dim file which are downloaded from USGC and operated in the ArcGIS Pro. For example, this is the dim file. You can so this is the invert option. We will be see invert option means that you can change the color. Display background means you can be removed like this kind of stuff. And there is the another this transparency option which can you will be reduce the transparency and show the topography below. Another is the primary symbols which are important in the, so there is a different symbol of the dim file. Now we are in the stretch form. Whenever you go to shaded file, so you will be see like this. So they have different uses and different dim file variation. In the ArcGIS we also create the contour maps. which is contour maps is like a number which indicate the elevation profile. So this is the some images. So you will be go to the tools, and you can search on it contours, but this all contour map will be created from the dem file. uh, Mostly we are talking about what is this WGS and WGS 1984. This WGS 1984 is the World Geographic System, which are developed in 1984. So mostly they have different number. If you are working in this area from Pakistan, so you will be mostly take the 42 degree north. If you are working in this area, so you will be mostly 19 degree, which is the southern hemisphere. So every state have different UTM zone. So before working on the area, so you must know the where you are located. So we can also calculate the use the in the tools in the ArcGIS Pro. So for example, we can create a point data in our area. And for example, we can also add the Excel sheet to the ArcGIS Pro. But before the ArcGIS Pro to the Excel sheet to convert to the or drag to the ArcGIS Pro, so you must know that ArcGIS Pro only support the CSV file command line of the Excel sheet. And you can add the data, and you can check mark the data, and you can upload it. And you can also georeferencing your ArcGIS Pro map. In the ArcGIS Pro map, so you can drag the map, and you can be you can mark the points, and you can create a georeference map in the ArcGIS Pro. In the last, you can also visualize or 3D visualization ArcGIS Pro. So one step by step we can be noted how you will be doing this contour map, this 3D elevation model, this how to make the shape files. So everything we will be know it in the next video. This is the generalized presentation in which we what is the ArcGIS Pro, and what else we can do in ArcGIS Pro. So see you next video.